Israel shells Hamas observation post in Gaza. Palestinian inmates banned for performing Friday prayers. Hania and Egypt official discuss proposed Israel truce. Saudi king and Tunisian president hold talks in Tunis. Qatar's Amir to attend Arab summit in Tunisia. Government forces capture 45 rebels in northwestern Yemen. Egypt frees activist who played role in 2011 uprising. Algerians staged massive anti-regime protest in capital. New Zealand rugby players' mothers and friends convert to Islam. Mortar shell kills 4 school children in Afghanistan. Fire guts big market in Bangladesh's capital. India, case filed against Muslims beaten by mob.